Hey lads, I'm back with another project. Project with simple problem statement: plant disease detection system. So I named this project as xcropai. So I want to show or showcase myself of what I did in this period of progress, or at least say period of time, that what I did to maintain the quality of code, the way I organized it, the way I managed those layers of architecture. So before that, I want to show something that I deployed it in on render. So I'm running it in free tier. So by the time whatever the link you're trying to access it, it might work or it might not work. So again, due to the limitations of free tier, I can uh, I can hit you GitHub link in the description. And this is my backend, and my backend was written completely using FastAPI, right from authentication, validations, and related to ML services. Could be API keys or any kind of stuff. Everything was made in like built in FastAPI. And as far as my front end, I used React 19, White 8 using SWC compiler. And yeah, so this is not my first deployment because I deployed my portfolio. So not my first deployment, but as in first full stack web app, yes, this is my first deployment. So I would like you to walk through. This is my main application. So where it has a landing page and all that, uh, landing details. So when I try xcrop AI, this is working, but I don't want to take or show any kind of stuff. So I would rather use Google because this mail was already being accessed. So I used Google OAuth, and yeah, you can see this is my dashboard and it is running in the browser. So this is new chart. This is the history that is associated with it. These are the images, and of course this is the profile. This profile details are taken from the Google email. So now, so what actually happens over here is you will try to give a crop name. Let me say I'm giving you tomato, and I'm trying to access it by adding this image. And if I try to analyze it, so analyzation takes time because I used two LLMs to access that particular data. So one LLM is for the disease name. That one is Gemini 2.5 Flash, because we know that Gemini has been trained on a lot of billions of images, a lot of textual data, of code data. The company might not disclose it, but we do know that it was trained on heavy amount of data. So we use Gemini for this, and rest of the information I'm trying to fetch it from Grok API. So in that Grok API, I'm using GPT OSS 120 billion params model. So over there, it will try to give this, all the context as you can see, and you can see the images where the kind of how this data came is from this enhanced and pseudothermal images. And the detected disease name is dermatomyosium deficiency, and it gave all the information related to it. And you can even weave analytics related to it. What is the infection spread coverage? What is the plan stability and recovery system? What are the stress and damage levels? Overall plan health. And let me say, you lost it. You can go to history and you can resume it whenever you want. And as far as images is concerned, you can try to download it. You'll get those images. So yeah, so the original has been downloaded. Let me say I need thermal. So thermal has been downloaded. Thermal image is a lot heavier is because we zoomed in into pixel, because we need to understand what is happening even at the code part. So that is the reason why thermal image is so heavy. And yeah, that's it. So this is a very, very simple project as far as for me, is because simple in the case of what I'm showing you, but in the back, when when you come to code place, so this is this heavy. So whatever you saw, whatever those 10 to 15 pages of whatever you saw it, is this. So the way I organize my complete code is is what I learned in this period of time, from my last video to this video. I haven't posted any along, or I haven't posted any in between. It took a lot of time, is because I need to understand what is happening, the way that I need to put my code in, and everything, you know, and related to deployment, what are the choices that I can go with, and why not Node.js? Why did I pick fast APIs? Because this project is completely based on machine learning services. So I need to go with fast API. And I could go with Node again. You'll be running two servers over there. But why is my question. When you can streamline everything into one server, or at least one web service, why maintain two? So that's the reason I'm using fast API, particularly for that reason. And whatever the projects I did, it's mostly the machine learning part, and mostly it's the machine learning part. So that's the reason my first priority of web service is fast API, and I could also deal with Node.js. Yeah, this is the final. I mean, this is the project, and I'm going to put that GitHub link for whoever wants to access it. I know it's all about code, but still, if you find it useful, you can use it. Thank you.